It starts here: useful affiliate marketing tips for beginners. When people turn to the internet to make some extra cash, they typically go for affiliate marketing. It is true that affiliate marketing can get you some extra money. However, many people give up because they did not know the correct techniques or they did not want to put in the work. If you fall in the latter group, then you need to give up affiliate marketing. However, if you fall in the former group, read these pieces of advice below. The best way to make an affiliate marketing website at the most affordable price is to build it yourself. If you don't already know it, you want to learn some basic HTML. Even if someone else designs the site for you, you want to learn basic HTML so you can add hyperlinks at your leisure. Affiliate marketing can be a very profitable way to make money. Instead of actually owning the products, you refer people to buy them and make a commission off of it. One easy way to do this would be to post your website or product on a forum or blog in order to get the most people possible. Take contract length into consideration. Many companies that work with affiliates put solid time frames into their contracts, usually between 6 to 12 months. Choose carefully when considering the time frames available. You don't want to get stuck with a contract that you aren't happy with for a full year. Therefore, affiliate marketing can be successful for you if you learn to apply these specific techniques and put in the work. If you don't want to put in the work, there are easier ways you can make money online. However, if you stick with affiliate marketing and work hard, this can be a very profitable choice for you. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.